How to log in Go2 Bank online banking account. Welcome to the channel and let's start with a tutorial. Open up a browser and search for Go2 Bank. In here, it will redirect you with some of the suggestions. You have to select on the option of log in and wait for it to load. To log in, just go ahead and enter your email address and your password. Tap on Remember Me, then tap on Log In. And simply like that, you'll be able to log in. Tap on Trouble logging in if you have forgotten your email address or you want to reset your password. Tap on Forgot your email address. Then you have to enter the 16-digit card number, CVV, your expiration date, and last 4 digits of SSN. You have to verify yourself, then tap on Continue. And this is for if you have forgotten your email address. To reset your password, tap on Reset Password, then enter your email address. It will send you a link by which you can easily reset your password of your account. Isn't it simple? So make sure to go ahead and give it a try. We hope you found this video informative and helpful to you. And thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.